Hello YouTube, welcome to Real Time Reviews, a review channel that likes to review products that are at least 6 months old so you get a better idea of what they're like long term. Now then, what have we got in front of us? We've got my set of Ryobi Hedge trimmers, the RHT1851R20. Now I've actually owned these hedge trimmers for at least 4 years now. Bit of a backstory, myself and my wife are handy persons, and in the summer months, normally from sort of March to October, we do a lot of gardening, so these things are used probably twice a day for 5 days a week. So they have had some hammer, these have. Now, like I said to you before, I purchased these about 4 years ago. They came as a body only because I got loads of batteries. I think it was approximately 70 quid. Now, there's several features on these trimmers that I really liked. The first of which is the hedge sweep, which makes a great job of getting rid of the cuttings off the top of the sides of the hedges where you're trimming the hedges. The other thing I really like is the fact that you can rotate the handle either 45 or 90 degrees, and this makes them much more ergonomic to use, so I'm a big fan of that. Also, when they were new, these blades are laser cut and they were really sharp. I've sharpened them a couple of times since then, but these were really sharp, so sharp in fact that I ended up cutting the palm of my hand once as I put the guard back on. They've also got a little section at the front, which you can use to chew through larger branches. I think the cutting distance of the blade is 22 millimeters. I think that's a little bit optimistic. These hedge trimmers are more for light to medium duty. They're not heavy duty trimmers at all. Now, the approximate weight of these trimmers is 3 kilos, so they're not particularly heavy. The blade length is about 50 centimeters, and like I say, they've got a cutting width of approximately 22 mil. Optimistically, like I said to you at the start of the video, I've owned these for about 4 years, and they are coming towards the end of their useful working life. There is some life still left in them. I must admit that we still use them on a day-to-day basis during the week, but they do need replacing. I mean, the blades are pretty worn. I don't know if I can keep one handy, but there's actually loads of play in the cutting bar now. They are getting very noisy as well, and they just feel generally worn out. But I will be honest with you, they have had some hammer, these trimmers, and I really haven't got a bad word to say against them from a reliability point of view. They just keep going and going. Anyway, what I'll do is I'll show you some footage of these things in action. Like I say, it's light to medium duty use. We'll see these things in action, and then we'll come back and I'll give you my opinion and whether you should buy a set of these or not. Right, this series of clips is basically demonstrating a typical day with these trimmers. I mean, these hedges that we're cutting here aren't particularly overgrown or difficult. They will tackle more overgrown hedges and bushes, etc., and they have been asked to in the past, and they've done it no problem at all. There's a limit, like I say, they're sort of light to medium duty use. But this is sort of an average of what they would normally encounter on a day-to-day basis with us. Right then, conclusion time, would recommend the RHT1851R20 hedge trimmers to you guys. And I'm going to say absolutely yes, these things have provided stalwart service. They're at least 4 years old, and for those 4 years, during the months of March to sort of the end of October, they've been used approximately twice a day, every single day. I mean, they really have put in some decent service. They don't owe me a penny. I've been really impressed with the reliability. They've not put a foot wrong. They're starting to feel very worn out now, but they continue to work. I mean, if we didn't use them on such a frequent basis, I would say that somebody who's using them in a non-work related environment, I say they would last twice as long at least. Like I say, I haven't got a bad word to say against them. They still work, they're still providing useful work, and they still get used on a day-to-day basis, but they do need replacing now. They are coming towards the end of their useful working life. I have got no issues whatsoever recommending these hedge trimmers to you guys. They've taken some real hammer, and they're still going strong. Battery life, We use the sort of aftermarket 6 amp hour batteries, which are probably more like 4. And you can get a good 30-40 minutes out of each battery. And you can do a decent sized hedge with one of those big batteries. They're not particularly battery heavy either. And like I say, I've got no qualms about recommending them. I love the fact that you can rotate the handle. That makes them so much more ergonomic to use. The hedge sweep function is brilliant for removing the actual cuttings off the top of the hedge, etc. And like I say, reliability, they've been absolutely bob on. As ever, if you've enjoyed the video and you found it of some use and interest, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're feeling that way inclined, hit that subscribe button for more similar future content. Once again, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you again very soon. Thank you.